Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region is that viewers at this time many pictures have been shared from the capital of Tigray region, Mekelle, but not receiving any more information yet because the communication system is not correct in Tigray region. Just a while ago, several photos of Tigray Defense Force soldiers and Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have been shared on social media, in which Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen celebrating. Viewers, I will share these pictures with you in the end. And in other images, a large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen. Viewers, it is being said that these are the soldiers who have been captured by Tigray Defense Force during the war. And according to one source, many rows of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have been seen in central capital Mekelle, 1.5 km long. And a large number of Tigray people came out on the street to see the prisoner of this war. And it is being said that there is a celebration in the capital of Tigray region, Mekelle, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers and people are celebrating their victories. And according to a source, it has been said that a number of events have been held in the pleasure of visiting the capital of Tigray region in Mekelle, and due to poor electricity and communication facilities in the Tigray region, more information could not be received yet. But as soon as we receive more information, we will continue to reach you. So let's watch the all photos. Thanks for watching.